Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to develop an app that would require me to develop the droplet icon. To do that, I need to take a rectangle. As you can see on the screen, I have taken a square 50 by 50, and what I've done is I've selected the direct selection tool, selected all at first, and then clicked off one corner that's on the right. For the rest, I have rounded off the shape that has helped me to develop this drop shape. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it and go into properties and copy it or mirror it onto the other side. Now all I have to do is hold shift and drag it until it perfectly aligns with it. So I'm going to select both of these now. I am again going into the properties and mirroring it again and selecting both of these together, and by holding shift I'm going to perfectly align all these four shapes so that they intersect properly like a flower shape. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give these different colors, uh, so that it looks like a proper icon that I want to develop. In this I have developed this into a four colored shapes. I've chosen red, I've chosen green, I've chosen orange and blue. Now I'm going to increase the distance between these, as you can see, which I'm doing right now on the screen. All I'm doing is I'm selecting the object and moving by 3 pixels. 1 2 3 1 2 3. So I'm moving it by 3 pixels, and just like that, in no time we have this wonderful shape ready with us. And I think that's pretty much it. This app on my phone is called the Daily Hunt, and that is what I have tried as an inspiration to develop.